Here's how to set up hot corners on a Mac. So in case you don't already know, a hot corner is basically where you can put your cursor to any corner of the screen and it will perform an action that you choose. So all you have to do to set it up is go to System Preferences and then go to Mission Control, go to Hot Corners in the bottom left, and then you can see you've got your top left corner, bottom left, top right and bottom right, and you can change each one to whichever you want. So you can set it to Open Notification Center, Launchpad, Mission Control, Application Windows, put your MacBook to sleep, anything you want. And also what you can do, if you hold down the Command key, it brings up a command icon next to each one, which means if you select, for example, Launchpad, it means that now if I want to activate Launchpad, I have to hold the Command key as I put it in the bottom corner or the top corner, depending on where you've put it. The same goes for Option and Control, so I could press all three if I wanted to, and that's actually triggered my dark mode to turn off. That's what that was there. But if I set that to desktop, now when I put it in the top right corner and hold those three keys, which is yet again triggered my dark mode, it'll then go straight to the desktop. I'll do it again and it'll go back. So that's how to set up hot corners. If you've got any more ideas of any more tutorials I could do, let me know in the comments.